We have exotic plant mail to unbox. And if they sent me what I think they sent me, I am gonna lose it. So let's open it now. This comes to us from Aroid Market. They're based out of Indonesia and they specialize in rare plants. And I saw a plant on their website that I had to have. This is more plants than I thought there were gonna be. Oh, I didn't know they'd be sending me this. Oh, this is gonna be fun. They sent me so many plants. Oh my goodness. All right, this one. I'm not even gonna read it. I'm just gonna open it first. I don't wanna, all right. What is this? I'm not gonna read the label because I wanna be genuinely, did I pick this on the first try? What is, this is the one. It's funny. I literally picked the one out of all of these plants that I have been wanting the most. So I'm just going to share it with you. This is the philodendron red Congo. And I know there are other philodendrons that people have high on their wish list. Caramel marble, for example, but not me. Red Congo variegated. Doesn't he look strawberry shake-esque? I think he looks like a strawberry shake. He definitely looks like one. Oh man. Look at this half moon. Look at this leaf. Look at that leaf. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. All right, that was the first plant. Let's see what else we got here. This is the biggest one, I think. What could this be? Let's see. Every time I get plant mail, it feels like Christmas. There's some damaged leaves here, but let's see. What are you? I don't know. I know exactly what you are, and I have one of you already. You are very much welcomed here in my house. You have a friend now. This is a philodendron Bob C. Let me see if I'm right. This is not just a philodendron Bob C. This is a philodendron Bob C variegated. I definitely don't have that. Some of his leaves are a little, oh, poor baby. You know what? I don't care. This leaf is browning right here. You can see this leaf is browning, but I am not your average plant parent. As long as there's roots in here, I can make it work. Ooh, he is good as alive. I get plans for him. I had no idea they were gonna give me a variegated Bob C. Actually, I'm looking at my Bob C right here. Let me pull it. This is my other Bob. This is my regular green form Bob C. He is all crazy. He needs to be repotted right now, but I'm just showing you. This is your big brother. Say hi. And he's not any more special than you because you're not variegated. I'm not gonna treat him any different. Oh, look, he fell. Who cares? Let's go in here and see what the roots look like. Because again, damaged leaves don't scare me, especially if they've traveled across continents. This is a really good learning example because I see some people that open plant mail and they get really overwhelmed when they see a leaf like this. And not every plant travels well, no matter how well it is packaged. There will likely be a plant or two that's not gonna look its best. But as long as you have a healthy root system, as long as you have signs of new growth, you're good. You're good. Just want to let you know we're dealing with living things here. All right, let's go to the next one. What did I do to dessert? What? What are you? You're a Hoya. Let me show them to you. We have a variegated Hoya. You are Hoya bacoensis. Hoya bacoensis albomarginata variegated. I have never heard of this Hoya, but I'm gonna take care of you so well. This reminds me of an outer variegated Hoya bella, actually. Let's see what else we have. All right, we have another small cup. It's in here. This is another Hoya. Oh, we have another outer variegated Hoya here. I'm also not familiar with this at all. What is he? Oh, Hoya comengiana albomarginata. I don't know why I didn't recognize him earlier. He's another outer variegated type of Hoya. We're really happy to have him. Welcome to the crew. I still have plants left. I don't want to look at the tag because I want to be surprised. I want to see if I can figure these out myself. What is this? Who are you? Who are you? You are long. What? I wouldn't have guessed this because it's a juvenile, but this is the Anthurium vitarifolium variegated. I did not know that there are variegated vitarifolium plants out there, but apparently there are, and I have one now. You know what? I do a lot of unboxings, and it's going to be hard to top this one. This is fun. I'm not going to look at the tag. I want to see. This probably is a Hoya since it came in a cup. What do we? You are either a Clemenciorum. I think you're Hoya clemensiorum. This is how they could have known I wanted one of these. I am not quite sure. I have one of these and I didn't know how slowly it grew. So now it's just like I'm on a hunt for more of them because I want a big one. This is a Hoya. This is a Hoya tangamus, but it doesn't matter because I have one of these too. Oh, and I'm going to put, I have my clemensiorum and my tangamus in the same planter because they look so much alike. Look at that. I love a crusty Hoya. I love it. I love a crusty Hoya. All right, I'm going to put you over here. We're not even done yet. Oh, we're about to be. There's one more. Oh, we have one more. All right, this is probably going to be your favorite. Philodendron Florida Beauty. I love this plant. I really do. Oh, look, this new leaf emerged while it was in the packaging. And you're big too. Variegation on here is just really nice. Oh, this is nice. Wow. So let's see, is there anything else left in this box? Now this is a haul. Let me check out. I want to check him out. Oh, this is beautiful. Actually, I have a cousin of the Vitarifolium already. I just want to show you how beautiful pendant anthuriums can be. Oh, I broke a leaf trying to bring this over here to you guys. This is my Anthurium pallidiflorum, and he was actually this size when I got him. So I have a lot to look forward to. I'm going to be so excited to see his growth journey. And when he gets as big as this, I have so much fun growing him. A little sticker, the beauty I deserve. I do deserve this kind of beauty. Don't ever let anyone tell you you don't. All right, guys, so this is the haul. We have a Hoya Comengiana alba marginata, a Hoya bacoensis alba marginata variegated, the Anthurium vitarifolium variegated, the Hoya tangamus, the red Congo, which is the only plant I thought I was getting, and a mature size Florida Beauty, and also a variegated Bob C. Thank you so much, Aroid Market. You guys really surprised me. I quite literally thought I was only getting this, so I am overwhelmed and excited. The link is in the description if you'd like to check them out yourself, and I will see you later. Bye.